Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a BMW 1 Series headlight. First, let's gather our essential tools, including a Torx screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, simply open the hood and identify the specific headlight unit you need to work on. Next, for your safety, it's crucial to disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This prevents any electrical shorts during the process. After that, you'll need to remove any surrounding trim pieces or grills that might be blocking your access to the headlight unit. Using a plastic trim removal tool will help you avoid scratching or damaging any of the delicate plastic clips and painted surfaces. Now, it's time to unfasten the headlight unit itself. You'll typically find 3 or 4 Torx screws holding the assembly in place. Carefully remove these. Pay close attention to any hidden fasteners or clips that might also be securing the unit. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the headlight unit forward just a few centimeters to create a small working gap. Finally, with the headlight slightly pulled forward, reach behind the unit to disconnect all the electrical connectors and wiring harnesses. Make sure to press the release tabs on each connector firmly before gently pulling them apart. Once all wires are free, you can carefully slide the entire headlight assembly completely out of its housing. You've successfully removed your BMW 1 Series headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.